So this is that Constitution of India, and it's in the red. Again the red page, and there is a preamble and all, and it's not blank as it is stated. In May 2024, one of the major reasons for the defeat of BJP at the hustings was when a BJP leader from Karnataka had said, we want to win 400 seats because we want to change the constitution. And the word change the constitution has hurted many people, irrespective of the parties. In all the parties it was hurt, because the base of the constitution was equality. That's what Dr. B.R. Ambedkar had done. And when someone wants to change that constitution having the base as equality, it hurt the sentiments. And the party which was saying that we will reach 400 came down to 240. But generally, that's what my observation, the leftist and the rightist, they don't give up their ideology. Look, despite this problem that they faced due to the sentence that they wanted to change constitution, still Devendra Fadnavis did not leave that point. And when Rahul Gandhi pointed the red book, I also got the constitution in my at my home. I am the student of political science. The book is in a red cover. That does not mean to call it urban Naxalite and all. And please see, it's not just nothing is written, all the plain pages. No, please see. So this red book is the constitution book. That's what Rahul Gandhi showed in the public meeting. But Devendra Fadnavis and others, they said that no, this book is empty, this is nothing and all that. On the other hand, Rahul Gandhi has said in the same words that हम तो जान भी दे देंगे, हम ये कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन की रक्षा करने के लिए we are ready to sacrifice our life. He said this in Nandurbar at a public meeting in front of the tribal people. Then he went to Jharkhand, again the tribal areas where he took the name of Birsa Munda and all that. I am of the opinion that the people who are deprived, the tribals, the Dalits, the Muslims, when there is a talk of equality, they also feel here are some people who are doing for us. Whereas the way BJP speaks is nothing but the way it is advocated in Manusmriti. I know what is said in Manusmriti. I am not even interested. I read that also, but I am not interested in echoing that. What BJP wants is just to change that basic structure. But I think despite having the bitter experience in May 2024, still Devendra Fadnavis and BJP leaders are not ready to understand. They are still with the point that this is not the constitution, and I think due to this mistake, they are all set to fall. They are all set to fall in the ditch. They are all set to get defeated at the hustings in Maharashtra. धन्यवाद.